Okay, I want to show you how to create a graph on Google Sheets to display a scatter plot using your data from lab today. You're going to have time on your x-axis and the displacement in units of meters on the y-axis. You're going to use your data. I'm going to supply some artificial data. And let's pretend after 0 seconds you're displaced 0 meters. And then after 1 second, 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters. The pattern continues. And once you have your XY data set, highlight all the information, including the headers. Click and drag to do so. Select Insert Chart. You're going to insert it into a chart. Chart editor will appear on the right. The default is a column chart. Select that and change it by scrolling to the scatter plot. Select Scatter Chart, the first option. Your points are displayed, all the data points you entered. Time is on the x-axis, your displacement is on the y-axis with units. Your title is provided. To customize the information, you can change the chart title and axes titles. Mine are sufficient, no need to change. The series of data, however, if you open the series, you can add a trend line. Check the box for the trend line. The type of trend line is linear, which looks like a good fit. All the points appear collinear. And the label, you can select Use Equation. The equation is a linear equation in y equals mx plus b. M is the slope 2, b is the y-intercept of 0, 2x plus 0 is displayed. If you want to look at the data on a larger view, you may move it to its own sheet. And you can now copy the chart and paste it into your lab document. If you look carefully at the data, you can interpolate the data. So look at some values. For example, at time 5 seconds, what would the displacement be? You can imagine by looking at this trend and the slope of 2, which means you're displaced 2 meters for every 1 second. And you can also extrapolate the data. Predict your displacement after 10 seconds, 20 seconds.